Durdle Door, Dorset, one of the most famous coastlines in the UK. If you're thinking about visiting, this video is a must-watch to help you plan your trip to Durdle Door, Lulworth Cove and a secret beach, Worbarrow Bay. Good morning guys, I hope you're all doing good. It is 8 AM Saturday morning and I'm going to show you a really cool place on the south coast of England today. It's a few places actually, but I'm out of breath firstly, and I will apologise because I forgot my microphone, so I think the audio is going to be a bit dodgy today. But I'm down in Durdle Door, so I've just parked at Lulworth Cove and I'm going to walk over to Durdle Door now. If you're new around here, my name is Dain LUKA. I post travel content every single Friday at 2 o'clock. So if you're not subscribed, go and subscribe, and I probably won't be out of breath pretty soon. So I will say the reason that I got here so early is just because the sun was meant to be out at this time, and the morning or before sunset is the best time to take pictures. If you've noticed anything different about my camera as well, I've also got an ND filter this week, so I can max out the aperture and have that nice blurry background. So yeah, comment down below if that looks any better. I literally left like 6 AM I think. It only took 2 hours to get here. That's the thing I love about going out at this time of the morning. There's no one about and it's just easier to get everywhere. Like even now there's not really that many people around. I parked in the Lulworth Car park, which is a 30-minute walk to Durdle Door, which is where I'm nearly at now. And the reason that I parked there is so I can walk to Durdle Door, walk back to Lulworth Cove, and then I'm going to go to Wareham beach later on. But I wanted to spend the first bit of the morning at Durdle Door, so let's go check it out, guys. Okay, so if you ask me why you would come here at 8 AM, this is why, because there is no one at the beach. There's literally a handful of people, so I'm gonna really enjoy this and get loads of photos and videos and just take this in because this is absolutely beautiful. Durdle Door is situated in East Lulworth, a village in Dorset, England, famous for its natural arch that is formed from limestone which is out in the sea. There's no wonder this beautiful beach gets so popular in the summer. I would highly recommend getting here early. I got there for 8 AM, but by the time I left at 11 AM, there were already swarms of people heading down to the beach. Hey guys, so yeah, I've just been chilling and taking pictures for like the last hour or so. I've just flown the drone up and I've just had the biggest anxiety attack because I'm still such a beginner. Like I've only flown the drone like 4 or 5 times, and as you can see, like this place is just so unreal, and I don't really want to crash my drone. Luckily there's no wind, so I can actually fly it with no issues. I'm just so annoyed that I forgot my microphone because I feel like the audio is going to be crap, and with the wind blowing. But yeah, Durdle Door is probably one of the most famous coastlines in England, so I'm really excited to be here. It's only the first time I've been in like 26 years of being in England. Just over the cliffs is Man O' War Beach. This cove is made up of sand, pebbles and crystal blue waters. Definitely bring your swimmers. Unfortunately I didn't, but I so would have taken a dip. This beach is just 5 minutes walk from Durdle Door. I've come over to Lulworth Cove, which is where I park, so that's sort of like the midpoint for my day today. So I've grabbed a little coffee. There is lots of food, cafes, little hotels and stuff, so there's plenty of places to get food and drinks, but it is very busy right now. I'm glad that I came to Durdle Door at 8 AM because I got to enjoy it with no one there, and it's very busy now. So yeah, I want to send the drone up, but it's very windy. But it's very cute here. I'm also very tired. I'm not tired, I'm happy to be out. But I haven't eaten since like 7, 8 AM this morning. So I should probably get some food before my next stop. So I think this actually might be nicer than Durdle Door. Like, this is Lulworth Cove, which is where you park your car and then you can walk like half an hour over to Durdle Door, but I just sat down there and had a coffee and it was so nice. So definitely, if you're going to come here, don't just come to Durdle Door, check out Lulworth Cove as well, because it's just beautiful, and bring your swimmers as well, because I really wish I brought my swimmers. Okay, that focal length might be better. I just put you at 17mm. But yeah, definitely come to Lulworth Cove because this is just so beautiful, guys. Like, I'm so happy I came here today. Like, it's been the worst weather this year. This time last year, the weather was great, and now we are blessed with a nice day. But it is England, so it will probably snow tomorrow. But down there, it's just so hot. It's like a little sun trap. So definitely check this place out. I'm obsessed with it. Like, I would definitely want to come back here with people. I was supposed to come here with someone today, but last night unfortunately they bailed last minute, and I wanted to leave at like 5 AM, so I was like, I'm not going to be able to find anyone to come with me. But yeah, just a quick one. Like, just go out and do things. Like, this year has just been crap, so crap already. So it's been so nice to just literally wake up, get out the house, do something, even if it's on your own. Like, I know a lot of people say, why would you go there on your own? Just do it. Like, talk to loads of people. Like, people approach you when you're on your own. West Lulworth is like a typical little English village by the seaside. It's great. I'm not even sure if you can hear me because microphone, but yeah. So we are going to go for a quick toilet stop and then go on to the last stop of the vlog today, guys. I really didn't think England could be this beautiful. This is picturesque Lulworth Cove. These blue waters were filled with little boats coming in from the sea. Again, pack your swimmers if it's a hot day. There were so many people in the water. If you're planning on visiting for the day, there are plenty of bars, cafes and places to get coffee and ice cream.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain.
guys, the final stop of the day, Worbarrow Bay.
Wareham Bay. This is a hidden gem situated a 20-minute walk from Dain village and a short 10-minute drive from Lulworth Cove. This bay and the surrounding coastline is part of the Jurassic Coast, which is England's only natural World Heritage Site. There wasn't many people at this beach. If you're looking for a quiet spot to spend a few hours, this is it.
Hey guys, so I really hope you can hear me right now. Can this view get any better? We are at Worbarrow Bay, and as you can see, there is a nice little boat down there. I would definitely recommend coming to this one. It's a bit more difficult to get to. It's like 10 minutes from Durdle Door, and you have to go to Dain village, which I will say is like a one-way single track road, which was a bit scary. And then to park here, it's just a £2 donation. And then it's just a 20-minute walk from the car park to Worbarrow Bay. Now, I can't actually get the drone out because this place and Lulworth Cove, they're under an army base, and as soon as I turn the drone on, it says basically a restricted area and you can't fly. But I'm going to try and give you some nice views of Worbarrow Bay. So yeah, thank you for hanging out with me today. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. It's been so nice to just get out and about. As always, in all my videos, I will leave all the instructions, all the information down in the description below. You can also go subscribe to me, not subscribe. You can also go follow me on Instagram for more daily content. Yeah, I'm just going to leave you with this beautiful view of Worbarrow Bay. So make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.